SYMA X500 4K drone with ultra-high definition camera for adults. Easy GPS quadcopter for beginners. With 56 minutes flight time, brush motor, 5 GHz FPV transmission, auto return home, follow me, light positioning, 2 batteries. Hi, welcome my friend. The wide-angle lens combined with a 90 degrees vertical gimbal movement ultimately allows you to see the world from a greater perspective. Up to 12 GPS satellites accompany the drone anywhere in the world. It is traced and automatically follows you and lets you focus on the moment. Besides, it will fly as you want once you set the unique path. Photo and record button with hand gesture. The control range of 2.4 GHz transmitter reaches up to 10,000 feet high range. Intelligent optical flow positioning system supports real-time observe the ground situation. No worries during flying. Eco-friendly remote control without AA battery. It is a good choice as a gift with good value and low price. No need to buy AA batteries, which is more convenient, and also it helps to protect the environment compared with other same functioning products. And the RC drone with SERV certification, more fun, more safe. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.